The most recent news for Vodafone Idea, Vi in the Indian market, revolves around its network expansion, 5G rollout, strategic partnerships, and stock market activity. Here's a breakdown of the key developments. 5G rollout and network expansion. 5G deployment. Vi has launched its 5G services in a number of cities, with the latest reports indicating availability in 29 cities across all 17 priority circles. Expansion plans. The company is aggressively working on its rollout plan, aiming to deploy 75,000 5G sites over the next 3 years. This is part of a larger 55,000 crore rupees capital expenditure guidance for network development, which also includes expanding its 4G coverage from 84.4% to around 90% of the population. Speed and coverage. Investments in its network have led to a reported 38% increase in 4G data capacity and a 17% improvement in 4G speeds since March 2024. Financial and market performance. Average revenue per user, ARPU. Vi has seen an increase in its ARPU, which grew to 180 rupees in Q2 FY26 as of September 2025, reflecting a positive trend in customer spending. Financial results. Despite the rise in ARPU and revenue growth of 2.4% year-over-year for Q2 FY26, revenue of 111.9 billion rupees, the company still reported a loss for the quarter. Trading activity. The stock has seen significant volatility and high-value trading volumes, often reacting to corporate announcements. Key partnerships and strategic initiatives. Partnership extension with Kyndryl. Vi has announced a 3-year extension of its partnership with Kyndryl, a major IT infrastructure services provider, to transform its IT operations, enhance its cybersecurity framework, and implement a next-generation, AI-powered zero-touch delivery model. Focus on B2B. Vi Business, the enterprise arm, is driving initiatives like enabling 12 million smart meters nationwide and launching solutions such as Vi Protect, an AI-powered safety solution, and integrated IoT solutions for enterprises. Financial services. The company launched Vi Finance on its app, offering access to personal loans and credit cards through partnerships with firms like Aditya Birla Capital and InstaMoney. Regulatory and industry debates. 6 GHz spectrum. Vi, along with its competitors Reliance Jio and Airtel, is in a significant debate opposing major US tech companies like Apple, Amazon, and Meta regarding the allocation of the 6 GHz spectrum band. Telecom operators are pushing for the spectrum to be auctioned for mobile services, IMT, while the tech giants advocate for it to be delicensed for Wi-Fi use.